Well, all some people will be you know, it's they're it's common in the United States. That big at the most, but it has in the front it has this thing, and in the back it's
that's what it is.
Yeah,
that's what.
Yeah, I mean, I got hit once, like here from the front, and I mean, I had a welt.
Even though she was doing that,
Yeah.
it's still like,
Oh yeah. That little bug, that much pain.
always brother back to the day when we think that they yeah, because you got this, you does feel like if you had made it.
Yeah. Well, see, you know, but you get down like, especially in the swampy area, every damn thing there wants to kill you. I mean, there's no place to get. Yeah.
You better not run out of gas. You coming through here. Yes. Or you better have to get out of your car.
Yeah.
One way or the other, we gonna be walking across the highway. They made one with your car. We gotta make sure.
Yeah.
Build and smash that windshield.
There's one, it's near Fort Myers. It's on the, it's a park in the Everglades kind of park, right? But it's not the Everglades, it's the same one. But then it got this sign that says, which is really cute. I seen that and we drove down there and it's true. You got, it's a narrow road, right? And it doesn't have much of a shoulder because it's actually kind of like a dike.
Yeah.
Right? But then you got one side that's kind of shallower, right? And it's the sign said, right, stay to the side of the road. Pedestrians stay to the side of the road. And the picture is you got like 20 some alligators sunning themselves on that kind of like little beach, and I'm going like, I'm not going to stay to the side of the road. But I remember once.
They got around here.
Yeah. But anyway, on Gator Alley, right? Here's I seen the pictures, and I tell you, here's a guy who got himself. I don't know if it was one of them sporty cars. I think Camaro, or not Camaro. I mean like Corvette, kind of like. I think it was a Mazda Miata or something like that. But he's traveling down the road, I guess, from the story that was with the picture, and he hit the alligator crossing the road. That car looked like it just blew up. He was killed, yeah. And unfortunately, I've seen alligators on the road at night. They're not easy to see. Because their coloration makes them really good in the dark.
That's why I had to turn the problem. Crap like this. He's running fight the car.
Yeah.
Go ahead and turn and bite. The guy got killed by a stinger.
Yeah, because he was above it, and I don't know what he did, whatever. And one of their, what they do is because most rays, not all of them, but most rays have like a little spike for defense, and that hit him like right in the heart. But if you're, that's the way to go. I mean,
that was
yeah.
See all that
It's like, alligators, alligators and sharks and stingrays and stuff. They're 100 million years old. They've been around.
Hey, you know who used to have that? You know the guy Perkins?
Oh.
Wild Kingdom.
Yeah, you had that, an old guy.